Where is my rainbow? I hear something. Oh boy. Look what I found. Rainbow's toy here in the foyer. He's gone to the forbidden area. Okay, let's get this little guy. Rainbow, there you are. You've been to the foyer. You little sneaky boy. You took your toys? You were playing in the foyer. You avoiding mommy? Are you guilty? Yeah, guilty. Look at that. He won't even face me. Are you guilty? You went to the foyer. Look at him. He's not looking me in the eye. No foyer, okay? I know, you just want to play with your toys. But I found you in the foyer. Well, actually, I found the aftermath. Trying to be innocent, right? I didn't do anything, right? I didn't do anything wrong. Okay, birds will be birds.